Okay, all right. I greet you all. Welcome back to IT Father Academy. Today we're going to learn how to create YouTube channel or YouTube account. It's very simple and very cheap. So what you need is when you open YouTube, so when you get to the Windows, then you move top here. You see where the cursor is. Then you click on it. You click on switch account. So you see we have what? Add account. Then you click on what? Add account. Then you see we have they have written what? Use another account. Then you click on it. So the issue is if only you have a Gmail account. So let's create new account. So you're going to create a Gmail account. So for myself, so they'll ask you such question like this. So they'll ask you your first name. So I'll use IT. Yeah, the last name will be Father Academy. So then you go to create a new Gmail address instead. So here you decide to what to get new Gmail account. So you say maybe itfather 0555@gmail.com and I click on next. So here you need to provide password. So let's say my password is then I click next. So they will ask you, since I'm in Ghana, so I have to choose what Ghana as what of my country. So here you have to provide your phone or your telephone number. Then you give your date of birth, then a day you were born. So I was born 1921, and your gender male, and I click next. So you check your phone for password. Why? Because Gmail wanted to know whether you're a robot or a human being. That's why they are sending you what? Password. So you see we are done. You see the name I use what? IT. So let me click on it. So you click on it, you go to create a channel. You see that. So you see the name, you see IT Father Academy. Then you have what? itfather0345@gmail.com. Yeah, so this is whereby you want to create a YouTube account or YouTube channel. So you click on what? Create a channel. Then you click on get started. Then here they are asking you whether you like to use the picture on your Gmail account, or like you see you use what you are using what your Gmail account to create a YouTube channel. So they are asking you if you want to use the profile on what on your Gmail account, or you want to customize. So if you want to use it as your personal YouTube channel, you click here the first one here. But you want to customize it, then you click on what the second one. It means you want to change the profile, the picture on your Gmail account. So let's select the first one. So here we are not yet done. So here you can decide to upload a picture on your profile. See, you see, as like example, like you are using WhatsApp and you have some WhatsApp profile like picture that identify maybe something like that, something like picture here. So you have to place something here as a picture. So here they're saying you should add what the channel description, like something about your channel, something you want to give us about so you can even add either slogan or something related about your channel. So let's say maybe let's say silent means concern. So this is all about our channel. So then you come here, see we have, I say what you should give a link that leads to your channel, or either URL leads to your channel, or you can even add your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, everything, every social media this thing that like you have. So if only you have Instagram channel, you can also add the link to here, or if you have Twitter or Facebook, then you add them here. So and let's say, so we are done with this one, so let's move on. So you save and continue. So it's all about creating YouTube channel. So here then you click on got it, because I hope after this teaching you get more understand and more practicing, and the more you get understand. So let's appreciate what IT Father Academy did. Thank you very much.